Hello guys, good day. This is Blaze. So I'm gonna log into rebake now and show you guys that I can actually make my website much faster with rebake. Okay guys, so I'm logged into rebake. Now all I have to do is to enter the project name, and I have to enter the URL of the website I want to rebake. That's to grab into the system. Now I simply need to click grab URL. Okay guys, so rebake is done. Now what it did is it went to the background and did a lot of work for me to make my website pretty fast. Now I've grabbed the URL, I can now simply click save. Okay guys, so that's how simple it is to bring in your URL and website into rebake. So now to actually test out this website speed, I have to click configure. Let's see how fast it will outperform the original website. So I'm gonna copy this rebake naked link. Now I'm gonna jump into a new incognito window, and from there I'm going to open up Pingdom. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about Pingdom. Pingdom is a website monitoring service. So you can see right here that it's used by top guys, meaning that these guys are definitely doing something correct. They want to get their website to become extremely fast, and I think you should too. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into Pingdom's free service so we can actually test the website speed side by side. Okay, so I'll open a new browser window. So right now I have two Pingdom pages up and running, and I'm gonna do a real side-by-side comparison here. I'm not gonna use any fancy software. I'm just gonna drag my window, natural, and I'm gonna drag this other window. So I'm gonna load up the website. And now I'm going to paste in the rebaked version of this website. So just to test these two websites beside the tab to show you that actually they're the same websites. So this is the first website loading. As you can see, it's loading actually, but the site is taking a lot of time to render out. So as you can see, it's taking a lot of time to render
to market
out.
effectively, you have to give your
So it has rendered, and it took about 10 to 11 seconds to render out. However, if I'm on a slow network, because what Pingdom does is Pingdom actually tests your website from a variation of networks in one location. So if I'm from a slow network, it can take as much as 25 seconds to render out. However, I'm going to show you how fast a rebaked site is.
to market effectively.
So as you can see, a rebaked site got loaded in just under 3 seconds. So guys, the time you have to capture your customers is actually the first 7 seconds, which you have to say everything you have to say to capture your audience. So I'm going to start this test right now. So as you can see, my rebaked page has done loading, is completely done loading. However, this other page is still loading and is still rendering. So guys, just to tell you the difference between loading and rendering, load time is actually the time your computer takes to actually process all the requests. However, the time it takes for your web page to fully display to the user is called the render time. This is the time you should be very interested in. But now, as you can see, our load time here is just 882 milliseconds, and our page size is about 1 MB. But on this other side, our load time is 7.7 seconds and our page size is 30.1 megabytes. So guys, as you can see, that this site also performed 92% better than every other website in the world. However, this other page right here performed 19% better than every other website in the world. So clearly we have our winner, and that's this. So this has a better load time and actually also has a better render time, because we tested this out on a new browser tab and we saw that this actually opened very quickly. However, this took about 10 seconds to open up, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna jump back into rebake and show you our live editor and how powerful it is. So if you just go back right here, so I can click on this live edit button and it instantly gives me a way to actually edit my whole website right inside rebake. And with a single live update button, I can send a live update into my website without any FTP. Okay guys, so one more thing is that rebake is particularly focused on user experience, so that's why we made everything draggable. So even the menu is draggable, is repositionable, so you can as well be editing and you don't wanna, this menu is blocking your text, you just drag it down to somewhere else. So everything is movable. Now, one of the most important features of rebake is the ability to actually translate your page into over 70 languages. So all you have to do is you have to just simply click on the language you want to translate your page to, and instantly rebake gives you a near perfect translation in just a matter of seconds. So as you can see, I've been able to generate an Arabic version of my page. This would have costed $1,000 or $2,000 if I sent it to a translator. Okay guys, so I can just switch back to English and show you how to I can simply edit my title in just a second. Okay guys, so let me say click create powerful videos. So I want to leave my title this simple because it would actually be nice. So as you can see, I've created a variation of my page, and I can as well go ahead and make better edits. So with a full feature called add elements, you can actually throw in new elements into this page. And I mean, you can throw in buttons. So let me add a button to this page. Let me add an add to cart button to this page. So I can actually drag and drop this button around, and I can expand this button to any size I am interested in. So guys, as you can see, I can drag and drop this button anywhere on the page, and most importantly, this button is responsive. As you can see, I shrunk my browser down and this button as well shrunk down. I can expand my browser and it expands. Okay guys, so thank you very much. Blaze out.